Hey everyone, today I'll show you a quick and easy way to clear the RAM cache on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If your PC or laptop is slowing down because of a cache memory, this method will help you speed things up, so let's get started. Let's open the Task Manager by right-clicking on the Windows icon and select Task Manager. And let's go to the Performance tab to check your current cache memory usage. For example, mine is around 3.9 GB. I'm going to show you how to significantly reduce it by using a free application. We're going to download and install a free application called RAM Map. Let's head over to the RAM Map website. I left the link in the descriptions, which is a small and free tool developed by Microsoft. And from here, let's click on the download. And once it's downloaded, navigate to the download location. Right-click on it and select Extract All. And let's open the file and find rammap.exe file. And right-click on it and select Run as an administrator. And agree to the terms. And now you should see the RAM Map window. Let's place the Task Manager window and the RAM Map side by side so I can show you how much cache it will clear out. Click on Empty at the top left and let's select Empty Standby List. Now you can see it has dropped all the way from 4 GB to 300 MB, which is a significant drop in cache memory. Now I highly recommend keeping this application on your computer so you can clear the cache whenever it gets high. Just open RAM Map, click Empty, then empty cached items. And that's all. This is the easiest and fastest way to clear RAM cache on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.